Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate Moosend with Zapier. So to do that, first head on to Moosend website and then log into your account. Just click on login and then I'm going to log in with my Google account. Alright, so once you're in this dashboard, on the top side you can see various options, and over here click on more, and over here you can see the option for integrations. Click here and you can see various applications for integration. So over here we have Zapier. Just click on this select button. Alright, so now it will redirect you to the Zapier website, and then click on connect Moosend. Alright, there you go. Now it will redirect you to this Zap. So over here just select any trigger. So we have our trigger, new subscriber. Click on continue and log into your Moosend account. And over here you can see it is asking for your API key. Just click here. And on your account you can click on more, click on settings, and you will be redirected to here. And on the left hand side you can see the API key. Just copy this API key and then paste it over here. Sign in once again, click on continue to Moosend, and there you go. Alright, so after clicking that you'll be redirected to Zapier, and over here we have to select our trigger and event as well. So let's select our trigger. So I'm just going to change this app to Google Form. Alright, let's select our event. So new form response, click continue, and then connect with your Google account. Now let's click continue, and our form, let's select the form again, click continue again, and let's test our trigger. Alright, so now let's click on test step. And there you go, the subscriber was sent to Moosend about 1 second ago. Now all you have to do is publish this Zap, and then you can use this Zap whenever you have a new form response. You'll just add the subscriber in Moosend. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. You can use our link in the description to sign up to Moosend.